Last summer, my bargain bin mower died halfway through a steep, overgrown acre, leaving me stranded in the sweltering heat. I spent weeks lost in a sea of specs, marketing jargon, and fake reviews trying to find a replacement that wouldn't quit on me. It's incredibly frustrating to sink thousands into a garden tractor only to realize it can't handle your hills or attachments. Today, I'm breaking down the top 7 garden tractors on the market based on rigorous, hands-on testing. Stick around, because the number 1 spot completely changed how I manage my property. Seven, EGO Power TR4204. I really wanted to love this battery-powered machine, especially with the industry shifting towards greener alternatives. Setting it up was incredibly straightforward, and the quiet operation is a massive selling point if you have close neighbors. When I first took it out on a perfectly flat, dry lawn, it performed admirably, delivering a clean cut and zipping around obstacles with ease. The lack of gas fumes and the instant torque you get from the electric motors make for a very pleasant initial driving experience. However, my enthusiasm started to wane the moment I took it off the manicured grass and onto more demanding terrain. EGO advertises this as a true tractor capable of handling up to 2 acres, but the reality of battery life under heavy load is vastly different. When I engaged the blades in thicker, slightly damp grass, the battery drained at an alarming rate. I found myself having to stop and recharge much sooner than anticipated, completely disrupting my workflow. It became clear that this machine is heavily dependent on ideal conditions to meet its advertised runtime. Beyond the battery anxiety, the build quality leaves something to be desired when compared to traditional gas garden tractors. The stamped deck feels a bit flimsy, and when I try to tow a moderately loaded dump cart up a slight incline, the tractor struggled to maintain traction. The rear tires just don't have the bite required for true garden tractor duties like pulling aerators or heavy rollers. It felt more like a beefed-up riding mower than a piece of equipment designed for serious property maintenance. 6. Conquest Yard Tractor. Simplicity has built a strong reputation for their incredible cut quality, and I was eager to see if the Conquest lived up to the hype. Firing up the Briggs & Stratton engine, you can immediately feel a decent amount of power, and the machine moves with a smooth, deliberate pace. I was particularly interested in testing their famous suspension system, which is supposed to drastically reduce operator fatigue during long mowing sessions. On moderately bumpy ground, the suspension does absorb a fair amount of shock, making the ride comfortable. But as I pushed the Conquest harder, a few frustrating limitations became painfully obvious. First and foremost, the steering mechanism felt surprisingly loose and unresponsive during my tests. When trying to navigate tight corners or make precise maneuvers around garden beds, there was a noticeable delay and a lack of crisp feedback. This sloppy steering required constant micro-adjustments, which actually negated some of the comfort provided by the suspension. It just didn't inspire confidence when operating near ditches or steep drop-offs. Furthermore, while it's branded as a yard tractor capable of heavier tasks, the transmission simply didn't hold up to my expectations. I hooked up a small cultivator to test its ground-engaging capabilities, and the Conquest felt bogged down almost immediately. The transmission whined under the strain, and I could feel the belt slipping when tackling harder soil. It became evident that despite the rugged styling, the internal components are more suited for light hauling and mowing rather than demanding agricultural work. The cut quality is indeed fantastic, leaving a beautiful striped finish thanks to the free-floating deck and rear rollers. However, a great cut isn't enough to excuse the mechanical shortcomings when you're paying a premium price. 5. XT2GX54D. From the moment I climbed onto the high back seat, the XT2 felt like a substantially more robust machine than our previous entries. The Kohler engine roars to life with a satisfying growl, delivering a robust 26 horsepower that you can instantly feel. When I engaged the heavy-duty 54-inch fabricated deck, there was no hesitation, just a smooth, powerful rotation that chewed through tall grass without bogging down the engine. One of the standout features during my testing was the incredible durability of the frame and deck. Unlike stamped decks that can warp or dent if you clip a hidden rock, this fabricated deck took everything I threw at it. I purposely took it through a rough, unkempt back lot filled with hidden debris and thick weeds. The Cub Cadet powered through effortlessly, discharging clippings evenly and leaving a surprisingly neat finish behind. The cast iron front axle also gave me immense confidence when navigating uneven terrain, keeping the tractor stable and grounded. The steering on the XT2 GX54D is another major highlight. Cub Cadet's optimized steering system makes this large tractor handle like a much smaller machine. I was able to weave around trees and hardscaping with an impressive 16-inch turning radius, which drastically cut down on my mowing time. Coupling this agile steering with the aggressive tread on the rear tires meant I rarely experienced wheel spin, even when the morning dew was still heavy on the grass. For hauling and towing, the XT2 proved to be a reliable partner. I loaded a heavy steel cart with firewood and towed it up a significant grade. The hydrostatic transmission delivered consistent power without the alarming whining noise I experienced with lesser models. 4. Husqvarna TS 354XD. The heart of this beast is a phenomenal Kawasaki V-twin engine, which is widely regarded as one of the most reliable and powerful engines in the industry. Starting this tractor feels like turning the key on a heavy-duty truck. During my extensive testing, the engine provided a relentless surge of power that never faltered, regardless of how deep or thick the brush became. What truly sets the TS 354XD apart is its commercial-grade tough torque transmission paired with an electric locking differential. This feature was an absolute game-changer when I tested the tractor on a steep, muddy embankment. Normally, a standard tractor would lose traction and spin one-wheel helplessly. But with a simple flick of a switch, the locking differential engaged both rear wheels simultaneously, and the Husqvarna crawled up the slippery slope with zero drama. It provides a level of traction and climbing ability that is essential for challenging landscapes. The 54-inch clear-cut fabricated deck is another masterclass in engineering from Husqvarna. The airflow design under the deck is exceptional, resulting in an incredibly clean cut and superior discharge. Even when mowing at higher speeds, the deck didn't leave behind any stragglers or uncut strips. The heavy-duty construction of the deck, reinforced with heavy flat-stock steel, means it can withstand serious abuse. I accidentally brushed against a solid retaining wall during a tight turn, and the deck didn't show a single sign of stress or deformation. Operator comfort wasn't compromised for the sake of power, either. The oversized, thickly padded seat with armrests makes hours of operation feel like a breeze. The controls are intuitively laid out, and the engagement of the PTO is incredibly smooth. 3. John Deere X590. From the moment you lay eyes on its iconic green and yellow livery, you know you are looking at a premium piece of machinery. The X590 is powered by a fuel-injected Kawasaki engine, which is a massive leap forward in terms of reliability and efficiency. I tested this tractor on a cold, crisp morning, and thanks to the electronic fuel injection, it started instantly on the first turn of the key, idling smoothly without the need for a manual choke. The most breathtaking feature I experienced during my time with the X590 is the constant speed governor. This piece of technology automatically adjusts the engine's power output to maintain a consistent blade speed, regardless of the load. I drove the tractor directly from a freshly cut lawn into a patch of overgrown, wet field grass. Where other tractors would sputter and drop RPMs, the X590 seamlessly surged with power, maintaining the exact same blade velocity. The result was a flawless, professional-grade cut across entirely different types of vegetation. Power steering and hydraulic lift turned the X590 from a mere tool into a genuine pleasure to operate. Navigating a heavy 54-inch deck usually requires some shoulder strength, But the hydraulic power steering on this John Deere allowed me to turn the wheel with just one finger. Furthermore, raising and lowering the heavy deck, or attachments like a snow blower, requires nothing more than a gentle pull of a hydraulic lever. It completely eliminates operator fatigue, allowing you to work from sunrise to sunset without feeling battered. Traction is exceptional thanks to the heavy-duty transmission and the traction assist control. 2. Prestige Garden Tractor. If the John Deere X590 is a heavy-duty work truck, the Simplicity Prestige is a luxury SUV with a massive towing capacity. The defining characteristic of this tractor is the cutting-edge suspension comfort system. It features front and rear springs and shocks that isolate the operator from the brutal jolts of uneven terrain. I drove the Prestige at top speed across a field heavily rutted by previous construction work, and the ride was astonishingly smooth. It completely changes the physical toll that property maintenance usually takes on your body. But the Prestige isn't just about comfort. It is arguably the best grass-cutting machine in the world. The legendary free-floating mower deck is attached to the pivoting front axle, allowing it to follow the exact contours of the ground independently of the tractor frame. Combined with the full-width rear rollers, this deck lays down the most beautiful, striking lawn stripes I have ever seen. My test lawn looked like a Major League Baseball outfield when I was finished. It practically eliminates the risk of scalping, even on severely undulating terrain. Under the hood, the commercial-grade Vanguard engine delivers relentless brute force. Paired with a high-speed, tough torque transmission, the Prestige can travel faster than most of its competitors without losing any cutting efficacy. I attached a heavy-duty tiller to the rear, and the tractor pulled it through compacted clay soil without a single complaint. The power delivery is incredibly smooth, and the hydraulic lift system manages heavy attachments with effortless precision. The dashboard is fully digital, providing real-time data on everything from fuel levels to maintenance intervals, which makes servicing the machine incredibly intuitive. 1. John Deere X758. To simply call this a garden tractor feels like an understatement. This is a true subcompact utility vehicle disguised as a mower. At the core of the X758 is a 3-cylinder Yanmar diesel engine. The moment I fired it up, the deep, rhythmic rumble of the diesel engine commanded respect. The torque this engine produces is mind-boggling. I hooked it up to a fully loaded, massive utility cart that would have paralyzed any other tractor on this list, and the X758 pulled it away at an idle without breaking a sweat. What truly elevates the X758 above everything else is its full-time four-wheel drive system. This isn't a manual engagement system. It dynamically transfers power to the wheels with the most traction automatically. I deliberately drove the X758 into a muddy, washed-out ravine that I was sure would trap it. The four-wheel drive system worked flawlessly, clawing its way up the steep, slick banks with absolute authority. Whether you're plowing deep winter snow or dragging heavy logs out of forest, the traction on this machine is literally unstoppable. The high-capacity deck on the X758 is stamped from a single piece of heavy-gauge steel, offering commercial-grade durability and an exceptionally deep shell for maximum airflow. The cut quality is impeccable, vacuuming up leaves and thick grass effortlessly. Furthermore, the drive-over-deck system is a revelation. Instead of struggling to slide a heavy deck underneath the frame, you simply drive the tractor directly over the deck, and the Auto Connect PTO attaches itself. This feature alone saves so much time and frustration during maintenance and attachment changes. Operating the X758 feels like sitting in a premium cockpit. Final thought. That's all for today.